This is One Direction, you and I, the left hand. So here is middle C. You want your fifth finger on D below, and you're going to play a D major triad. So this is D, F sharp and A with the black note in the middle. You do a long and then you bounce it with a short one. Hop up to E major, E, G sharp and B. Hop up and move in F sharp, A, C sharp. I'm going to play that again at the right speed. Hold it, then you swap your third finger to a 2 on A, little finger goes to E. The thumb stays on the C sharp. Then we go back down to a D major chord. Up one notch, but no middle, so only the E and the B on the outside. Okay, I'm going to play that again without talking. We play this chord again for 4 beats. Play it again for 2 beats. 1, 2, little finger down to D sharp. Both hands onto the black notes, C sharp and G sharp, hold it. Then we come back up to C sharp, A and E. This one's an 8-beat note. Then we switch the thumb down to B here, just E and B.